Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to stop people from sharing your post on Facebook. What you need to do, first just go to Facebook and log in your account and then click on this little arrow, go to settings and privacy and then settings and then click stories. Yeah, it's here. Allow others to share your public stories to their own story. Allow, or if you click edit, allow or don't allow. And here, allow people to share your stories if you mention them. Don't allow, or if you want to allow them, just change it here. This is what you need to do if you want to stop people from sharing your post on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any question, any idea, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.